All right, guys, we got the F350 in the shop today doing 15,000 mile maintenance on it, which is just, we're gonna do tire rotation, changing the oil filter. We'll also be doing the fuel filters. That's about the only extra thing we do on the 15,000. So we'll get both fuel filters swapped out, top off the fluids, check all the lights. We have to fix the license plate light. We're gonna rotate the tires. And speaking of tires, got a new set of tires for these. These are a Firestone Destination XT. We got these mainly because they have a really good rating in snow and ice and wet weather. So we know we could be pulling trailers through the mountains. So we wanted to make sure we had a good snow, wet weather tire. So far it's been really good. They are a real softer tread, so I can feel it a little bit squirrelier than what we had before, which was, you know, pretty crappy highway tires. So yeah, this will be the first tire rotation on them. So far, like I said, we like them, but we're going into winter. We haven't really had any snow yet. So we'll give you guys an update once we get through a good 1 year or maybe 6 months. Next oil change, we'll be able to tell you guys how we like these tires. We ended up putting them on Excursion wheels as they look better. Our Excursion is getting 18-inch wheels because of the larger brakes. So this one, we went ahead and put the Excursion wheels on there. They look nicer. We all liked them. So looks a little better with the truck. But yeah, that's what we're gonna work on. We got the oil drained. We're gonna change out the oil filter, and we'll get our fuel filters. And then we'll be putting this bumper. So this is the ranch hand bumper we had on the Excursion. I'm changing the front end of the Excursion out to a 05 and newer. So this bumper is made for 04 and older, 04 and a half. So we're gonna go put this on the pickup, especially after hitting that deer with the rental. We're gonna put some protection on this one. That's what we're gonna do here. Once we get the oil change, we'll swap out the bumper. Maybe show you guys how that's entailed. It's pretty straightforward. These are pretty easy. I got one light mounted, the other one broke off. This is from the Excursion. And then I'm looking for a different bumper for the Excursion. This is a ranch hand. I really like these. They're tough. I had good experience on my service truck, specifically this metal grade. That's protected my front end quite a bit from truckers throwing rocks around. So yeah, we'll get the oil changed. We'll get this thing put on. All right, let's get after it. Push down. All right, we're getting ready to swap out the bumper. We got the oil changed. We put some 540 in it this year because this thing doesn't like to start in the cold. So we'll run some winter oil and see how she performs. We don't have a whole lot of plans on towing this year, mainly just recoveries. So she probably will get a little easy winter. We'll use for a lot of errands. We're gonna go pick up some concrete here this week. We gotta build a concrete pad, so she'll get a workout either way. We got fuel filters replaced. I gotta show you this fuel filter that came in my Motorcraft. So I gotta ship it back because it was cockeyed. Luckily I ordered two. I usually try to order two just to save on shipping. And one of them was defective, so I'll show you guys. But we're gonna get this bumper swapped out. right, guys, we finished up with the F350. We got the new bumper on. I think it looks pretty good. Just hosed everything off, changed the engine oil filter, fuel filters, cleaned the engine and the condenser. So I still got to put the cover back on here. Just want to clean it off. We got some warm weather. It's supposed to snow later this week, so take advantage of it. Just got to fire it up here. We got it all cleaned up. It's looking good. So we haven't had any more problems after we fixed the front water pump pulley. We got our bumpers in there, tires all rotated, wheels cleaned up. So again, these are the Firestone Destination XTs. So far we like them. Just getting used to the softer rubber. And these are the Ford Excursion wheels that came off of my original Excursion. So I think it looks pretty good on there. So far we like the tires. They grip well. We haven't been in snow or rain yet, so we're looking forward to some nasty weather to go give it a test. But I think she's ready for winter. Got new fuel filters, new bumper, winter oil. So I'm running 5W40 Rotella T6. I normally don't, and then I leave it plugged in, but there's times where somebody breaks down, I don't have it plugged in, and then I gotta do a cold start on it. So far we've been getting down in the upper 20s, low 30s, and she starts just fine. We'll see how she does when it gets a little colder. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the bumper. Again, this is a ranch hand. I had it on my Excursion. Holds up good. Now I don't have to worry about a deer strike when I'm towing a trailer. That was the main reason. This will protect me enough to get home and not have to worry about swerving too much with a trailer. But now we got to figure out what kind of bumper we want on the Excursion. The reason why we did this bumper on here is because we took the Excursion grill and put it on our white B10 Excursion because it was all jacked up. So now I'm going to put a 2005 and newer F350 F250 front end on it. So the grill's different, the header panel, and the bumper will be slightly different as well. So it gives us a chance to look for a new bumper for the Excursion, and a good bumper's on this one now. Still got to wire up these two lights. I'm going to wire these up to my high beam switch. These are just my standard Ford fog driving lights, but we're going to wire those up to the high beams and go from there. That's it for this video. See you guys on the next one. May God bless you.